Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I came up with this marquee setup for 27th birthday. Just a quick visual of my client's home. They have an indoor pool. This is the space that I will be designing today. Such a vibe. Now my emphasis is going to be in this corner. I wanted to make sure that the birthday boy and his guests can all take photos without being crammed into a space. I originally wanted to place this marquee setup underneath the TVs that you saw in the first part of the video, but it was better in this space. There are many different ways to do marquees, and I found this technique to be better, which is using a lamp stand. I placed a lamp stand behind the marquees, and I basically built my base off of just this one stand. And I just clustered my balloons cluster by cluster until I got it full to my liking. Some people would do, if you're doing like the letters on top of each other, there's usually like a certain support system that's being used. But if you're just using it for just one level, the whole word or some numbers, a lamp stand would go perfect in this space or in this design. I'm more of a cluster girly, meaning that I like to build my balloon garlands cluster by cluster. And that is basically tying neck to neck. And I usually form my clusters or form my garlands that way. In this clip, I am showing a gaffer's tape, and you want to use the H method. Use a 260 to prevent your balloons from like lifting. Right here, I was just trying to make sure that the white cluster will stay flush to the ground as much as possible. And that is just a tip. If you ever want your garlands to not be lifted, use gaffer's tape or some type of Gorilla tape. Tape a 260 to the floor. So in this clip, just speeding it up here. Like I said, I like to do cluster by cluster. It allows me to have control over the shape of my balloon installs. And I do this for all of my garlands. I usually start off with a spine, I fluff, and then I enhance. And then once I do all of those, the magic is then created. And then you have a full, very detailed, plenty of depth. It's giving what it's supposed to give, hands down. I'm pretty known to go heavy on the 5 inches. That is kind of like my signature. All of my garlands are like this. I do not do standard garlands. I only do organic garlands. And I like to add a lot of detail. I think it looks better and you get your money's worth when you book with me for this install. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll just let you take in all the beauty. And thanks again. Stay tuned for the next one.